Today we are going to be taking a tour of the Yule by Deer Valley Home Builders. The Yule is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2,040 square foot home. We have constructed this home with 2x6 exterior walls and spruce lumber construction rather than pine. Spruce is a harder wood than pine, and it not only performs better, but it is also a heavier wood than your standard pine lumber. This home has all number 1 or number 2 grade lumber in its construction. These combine to not only strengthen the structure of the home, but also help with the fit and finish of the home, keeping your walls, ceilings, and floors a little more square. This home is also equipped with Croft Windows. Croft Windows are much more energy efficient and last much longer than your standard windows. They are a gold-rated window with a low E coating for even more energy efficiency. We have also equipped this home with Techshield roof decking. Techshield is an upgraded roof decking that keeps your attic space cooler in the summer, cutting your cooling costs by around 30%. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we equip this home with an insulation package that is both beyond the Zone 3 Northern Insulation Package and Energy Star. All of our Deer Valley homes are now equipped with soft close, dovetail, easy to use, solid maple wood cabinets and drawers. You will also find this home comes with an upgraded trim package throughout the home as well. All of the colors inside and outside of the home are optional. You can select different siding, shutters, roofing, dormers, flooring, cabinets, countertops, tiles, backsplash, trim, paints, appliances, and a whole lot more. This manufactured or modular home is not only energy efficient, but it is also very safe. Keeping your family safe is something that we here at Kentucky Dream Homes take very seriously. We install all of our homes to handle more straight line winds than your typical site-built home. For more information on manufactured homes and storms, please see our YouTube video on this very topic. If you are renting now and would like to invest in your own home and stop wasting all of that money on rent, or if you are living in an older home and would like to upgrade to something that will save you money every month on your utility bills and maintenance costs, take a look at what a manufactured home can do for you. Our manufactured and modular homes are not only very affordable, but they are also very high in quality, very energy efficient, and very low in maintenance costs. If you have high utility bills, buying a new energy efficient manufactured home might just cost you less money than staying in that older home and wasting all of that money on high utility bills and high maintenance costs. There are also several tax saving benefits to owning your new home that might also make it much more affordable for you to purchase a new home than stay in that older home. Due to the incredible value of manufactured and modular homes, there are now nationwide lenders financing almost any credit score, and financing options in many cases are much faster and much easier on a manufactured or modular home. You can now fill out an online credit application on our website. Please visit us online at KentuckyDreamHomes.com or come by one of our 3 locations and walk through some of our incredible manufactured and modular homes. We are currently expanding rapidly, and we now service 5 states, including Kentucky, Tennessee, Indiana, Illinois, and Missouri, with more states coming soon. For pricing information, please call one of our 3 locations. At Kentucky Dream Homes, you are always guaranteed to get the lowest price on your new home. Our location information and our phone numbers can be found on our website at KentuckyDreamHomes.com. Prices do vary a little based on each customer's location, different freight, state regulations, taxes, some options, some different add-ons that we may include, utilities, your home site, and a few other factors. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content about manufactured and modular homes, and for more incredible home tours. Also, let us know what you think about this home and what you would like to add, a garage, a basement. Let us know in the comments section below. We really do love hearing your feedback. To see more great home tours, just click the link on the screen now. And let us help you find your dream home. At Kentucky Dream Homes, we guarantee the lowest price. We are family owned and operated, and we believe in treating all of our customers like family.